Welcome this video. Outdoor kitchen design for smart space when it's come to enhance your outdoor living area. Few ads often and a smart style, functional and entertainment value. As an outdoor kitchen, however made house owner with limited backyard space that build an outdoor kitchen. It's beyond their reach. This good news with thoughtful plan, smart layout, decor, and compost application. Its possibility to design a beautiful effect outdoor kitchen that fit smart space perfects whether you have a patio and north balcony or a backyard. This gas will walk you throughout everything you need to know about design and outdoor kitchen that maximize and functional. Understanding the basic of outdoor kitchen design and outdoor kitchen is more than just a gallery on the depth. A well-designed space, cook space, surface, and sometimes even design a long area. This smart space, the key is to combine those elements, create outdoor crowd, the area. Key element to consider those and gallery, but cook or cooktop to place over. Cabin and surface for unit depend and decor cook look. Compass or cool to keep at design. Still area. A brink style drink depend on the space. Plan your space set and layout considering before your back group to honor application. Take a close look at your outdoor area available space and take note of sun with palette and Promax to the main house. Popular outdoor for smart outdoor kitchen. Line layout, everything arranged and single wall, grade the north patio or balcony. L shape layout. often more purple space without field balcony. Gallery layout, two palette wood well in north but long space layout best for single layout space often 63-degree and set. Remember less is more. Choose a layout that allow for smoke, work field and more without make the space feel dark or cut. Choose compact and multifunctional application. Application will like take up the more, so select the right one of choose in a smart outdoor kitchen. Smart appear choice built in purple gallery other for to bring of a full size various. Double your look functionally in the smart footprints. Smart space and add merging. Ratio make purple and space allow. Choose a tabletop various to convenient unit. Look for application rate for outdoor use and build for stainless or weather resisting material to depend. Maximize space with smart story solve. In target space story much to clean custom convenient hide compost to various space all convenient your best friend. Story type insist you material select and aesthetic outdoor kitchen and expiring to the elements also material that convenient for and functional best material for smart outdoor kitchen cabin and hard and weather resisting cabin select steel or PVC often long with maximize main entrance full stone various or convenient tap. Choose light color or saffron finish to make smart space appear long